Hello friends, welcome back to Pooja's recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a paratha recipe, green paratha recipe, which I'm going to make with spinach and paneer. So basically it is palak paneer paratha, which will look also very nice and which will taste also very nice. It's a very healthy recipe. So let me share with you the ingredients. This is 2 big cups of atta. I have taken out homemade paneer. If you want, you can use the ready-made paneer also. This I have taken out homemade paneer. This is spinach puree. I have blanched the palak or spinach leaves and then I have grinded it. Salt, turmeric powder little bit, red chili powder, black pepper powder. This is 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour, green chilies, coriander leaves and ghee to make parathas. I'm going to knead the dough now. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, little bit red chili powder, little bit of turmeric powder. This is optional. If you want, you can just avoid this. And this besan, red chili powder, salt and little bit of turmeric powder. And I'll just mix this together with hands and knead this with this palak puree. I'm not going to use any water because it has lots of water already. So it's enough to knead the dough. I will just keep adding little bit and knead the dough. Dough is ready now. It's a soft dough. I'm going to put some oil on it and give it a rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we are going to make parathas. Now we'll make stuffing now. Paneer stuffing. This is homemade paneer, as I told you before. I'm going to add salt to it, black pepper powder, green chilies and coriander leaves, and mix it well for stuffing. This atta is ready to make parathas now. I'm going to start making parathas. Take like this one ball, just roll it on your palms. It's on the flame. You can take as much big paratha or small paratha you want. Just roll it in this dry flour. Roll it with the rolling pin or belan like this. Then apply ghee or oil, whatever you want. Now we're going to put the stuffing. Just spread the stuffing like this a little bit. Just press it. And roll from all the sides to close it. You can roll it like this, just rotate it. I'm again going to roll it in the dry atta and roll it again. Just roll it with a light hands because otherwise the stuffing might come out. Just keep rolling from sides. So I've rolled this paratha. I'm going to roast it on this tawa. If you want it a little more thinner, then you can just press with your fingers. Keep moving it and pressing with your fingers. It's perfect now. Let it roll on. Let's check on the other side. I'll turn it around. Yes. I'm going to apply ghee again. This is very nutritious paratha, and also children will definitely like it. You can serve with dahi, yogurt or pickle, anything. Just keep pressing a little bit. And keep the flame medium high. Put the ghee again on the other side. See, this paratha is cooked on both sides. This side is also roasted properly, and this side is also roasted. So it's ready to serve now. Today I'm going to serve this with onion and tomato raita. Let's serve it. So I've served this paratha with onion and tomato raita, pickle and some salad. This looks lovely and also smells very nice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try and let me know in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.